Hey everyone! If your iPhone keeps popping up that share contact screen whenever it's close to someone else's iPhone, that's the new NameDrop feature. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn it off. Keep your info private. NameDrop is built into AirDrop on iOS 17 and newer. When two devices come close, your contact poster appears and lets you swap info instantly. It's handy sometimes, but not everyone wants that showing up. Open the Settings app. Go to General, tap AirDrop. Look for Bringing Devices Together and switch it off. That stops the pop-up from triggering whenever your iPhone gets near another iPhone or Apple Watch. Still in AirDrop settings, check Receiving and pick either Contacts Only or Receiving Off. Choosing Contacts Only means random strangers can't send you anything, and Receiving Off blocks AirDrop entirely until you turn it back on. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with friends who keep seeing the pop-up, and drop your questions in the comments below.